Hello guys! In today's tips, I want to share some incredible and often overlooked uses for disposable gloves. We all know that disposable gloves are commonly used in restaurants and takeout orders to keep our hands clean while eating. They bring great convenience, especially for those with children at home who find it challenging to use chopsticks or forks effectively. However, many people struggle with ill-fitting gloves that are too big or loose, making it troublesome to use them properly. But fear not, I have some tips to ensure you get the perfect fit. By gently pulling the gloves and stretching them, they become longer and thinner, providing a snug fit when worn. Remember to press out any air from the fingertips to the palms, creating a secure and obedient grip. Now, let's explore some other magical uses for disposable gloves beyond just food. When traveling with your family, it's essential to have certain supplies like toothbrushes. To keep them hygienic, you can use the fingers of a disposable glove to separate and wrap individual toothbrushes securely. This method not only keeps them clean, but also saves space in your suitcase. Additionally, towels, underwear, and socks can also be stored neatly using disposable gloves. Folding them and placing them inside gloves provides isolation and keeps them organized and hygienic. Even scarves can be protected using this technique, ensuring they don't contaminate other clothing items. Moving on to the second magical use, we can fill disposable gloves with water and use them as makeshift watering devices for plants. By creating small holes in the glove's fingers, the water slowly drips into the soil, keeping it moist while you're away. This way, your plants won't suffer from dehydration during extended trips. Finally, disposable gloves can help address unpleasant odors, particularly those emanating from floor drains. By filling a glove with water and covering the drain with it, the smell is effectively blocked from spreading into your home. It's a simple yet effective solution to keep your living space fresh. So, there you have it. Disposable gloves have amazing uses beyond their primary function. From eating convenience to travel organization, plant care, and odor control, they prove to be versatile tools. I hope you enjoyed these tips and tricks. If you know any other magical uses for disposable gloves, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and click on my avatar for more helpful content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.